माय डियर स्टूडेंट किस्ट्रा कोचिंग विशेष एडवांस सेटिंग तुम आगे न्यू नुआ वर्ष आसपाई कृष्णा कोचिंग तुमको मोर भल रेजल्ट मंगल कामना करेतु प्लस टू साइंस पिला परीक्षा देते जीव परीक्षा देवाई जीव तेणु से भल प्रिपेयर हो मन देख पढ़ जदि तुम किसी डाउट रोचे मैंने तुम्हें कंटाक्ट कर एनी सब्जेक्ट रे तुम डाउट क्लीयर कर 20 वर्ष क्वेश्चन रिविजन कराऊँगी कृष्णा कोचिंग रे 3 मास भितर हो तुमको से 2.5 मास भितर टाइम अच्छी तेणु जदि किसी डाउट थाए तुम्हें कंटाक्ट तापर आम पढ़ुला आग चैप्टर थर्मोडायनामिक्स मीन्स तो इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 वर्ड थर्मो मीन्स हीट डायनामिक्स मीन्स मोशन इट इज a heat motion in this thermodynamics we have read about the system what is system गोटे होची तार गोटे गोटे पार्ट अच्छी थर्मोडायनामिक्स रो द पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स that we selected for study part of the universe that we selected for study is known as system that is system our 3 प्रकार system thila open system closed system isolated system then we will now about macroscopic system a system which consists of large number of atom ion or molecule the system which consists of large number of molecule system which consists of large number of atom molecule is called macroscopic system macro माने बड़ that is macroscopic system then the macroscopic system there are 2 type of macroscopic system that is known as there are property of the macroscopic system are 2 type there are 2 type that is extensive property and intensive property there are 2 type of macroscopic system in macroscopic system there are 2 type of property that is extensive property and intensive property then extensive property the property which depend upon the amount of the substance the property which depend upon the amount of the substance is known as extensive property the property which depend upon the amount of the substance जो property amount of the substance पर depend करे ताकू आमे कहवा कोन extensive property for example mass volume heat capacity internal energy enthalpy entropy gives free energy then we will now read extensive property the property which depend upon the nature of the substance doesn't depend upon the amount of the substance जो property ता nature of the substance पर depend करे ताकू आमे कहवा intensive property these are example pressure temperature density viscosity surface tension refractive index and electromotive force and chemical potential these are the intensive property and then now we will read about another term that is state function the condition of the existence of the system when the macroscopic property has definite value that is known as state of the system the condition of the existence of the system when macroscopic property has definite value macroscopic property जेतले macroscopic property जेतले definite value थिबो ताको आमे कहबा आमे state of the system state then another term is state variable the measurable property required to describe the state of the system the measurable property which is required to describe the state of the system is called state variable and then we will now read about the another term that is state function the property of the system which value depend upon the state of the system the property of the value which depend upon the state of the system is known as state function जो property टा state of the system ऊपर depend करे ताको हमें state function कहया another function is path function that the property whose value depend upon the path of the system doesn't depend upon the state जेटा path पर depend करे state पर depend करे नहीं ताको हमें कहवा path function these are all about the terms of the thermodynamics thank you all यदि वीडियो टी भल लागिवो लाइकिंग करिवो शेयर करिवो आउ कमेंट करिवो thank you all